Welcome to jamaicantravel.com your convenient starting point for transportation, tours, and trusted travel support. I'm Adrian Chisholm, founder and CEO. I'm here to show you how easy it is to plan your perfect Jamaican getaway. From our homepage, you can easily use the main menu to explore all the premium services you need. Select Travel Services for personalized help planning your accommodations, flights, vacation packages, and even rental cars. Traveling to Jamaica soon? Choose Airport Transfers to review your private pickup options from Montego Bay or Kingston. For your daily needs, select Private Transportation to learn about scheduled rides with our professional and vetted drivers. To truly explore the island, visit our Tours section. Browse available experiences and compare your options carefully. Choose the activity that best fits your trip, from adventurous mountain treks to relaxing days on the beach. When you're ready to finalize, select Book and enter your contact information, along with your pickup and destination details. Include your travel date, passenger count, and any special requests. We confirm every single booking personally for your peace of mind. Visit our frequently asked questions page for quick answers about booking and safety, or use the contact page for direct assistance. Jamaican Travel makes it easier for you to plan, book, and travel across Jamaica with absolute confidence. Visit jamaicantravel.com today to start your journey. Jamaican Travel, seeing the world through your eyes. See you soon.